We are going to be looking today at adding and subtracting decimals. So first of all, it's very, very important when you have your decimals to line them up so the decimal point is in line with each other. So if I did 1A, I would put the 3.7 there, and then underneath it I would put the 4.3 so that the decimals are in a line with each other. Put in your sign of what you're going to be doing, and then we add like normal. 7 plus 3 is 10, so I'm going to put the 0 down there and carry the 1. So there's my 10. 3, 4, and 4 is 8. So my answer is 8. Let's do, I am going to do G actually. It's 6.25 and I'm going to add 1.75. Again, can you see the decimals are in a line? So I've put those all in a line. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 all together. I'm just going to go down and look at the extension. Okay, here they don't have the same number of decimal places, so I'm going to do the extension 1A. 2.6 plus 0.47. We need to put in a 0 so that we've got a placeholder and that they've both got the same number, so we don't add the wrong columns. This is my hundredths column. This is my tenths column. There's my decimal points all in a line, and there's my ones column. So 7 plus 0 is 7. 6 plus 4 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 0 is 3. Okay, I'm just going to scroll up and do one more problem. No, I can't because now I can't draw. There we go. Okay. Extension 1B. 5.4 plus 0.62. There's my hundredths column. So let's put that 0 in there. Tenths column. My decimal points. So my answer is going to have a decimal point there. And my ones column. 2, 10, 6. Okay. Give those a go.